Welcome to Jwinder's Weekly Current Affairs Bulletin. President of India Ramnath Kovind has appointed the Governor of Uttar Pradesh Anandiben Patel to discharge the function of the Governor of Madhya Pradesh. This development comes after Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon passed away. The power conferred by Article 155 and 160 of the Constitution was exercised by the President. Tunisia's President Kais Saied picked Hichem Michichi to be the next Prime Minister and form a new government. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28 July every year. For the year 2020, a global theme has not been decided due to the pandemic. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar on 28 July 2020 released Tiger Census Report ahead of International Tiger Day. The country now has nearly 70% of the global tiger population. Aditya, India's first solar-powered ferry that commenced operations in 2017 in Kerala's Vembanad backwaters, has won the prestigious Gustav Struve Award for Excellence in Electric Boats and Boating. Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar is releasing his new book, The India Way: Strategies for an Uncertain World. The Cabinet on 29th July 2020 approved National Education Policy 2020. It aims to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education. Ministry of Earth Sciences National Awards for Excellence in Earth System Science have been announced. The National Award for Atmospheric Science and Technology will be presented to Dr. S. Suresh Babu. Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission has launched AIM ICRES, an incubator capabilities enhancement program for a robust ecosystem. It is focused on creating higher performing startups. Supreme Court has barred the registration of BS4 vehicles till further orders. The Maratha community will not be entitled to avail the 10% reservation in jobs and education for economically weaker sections in the general category in Maharashtra. The Maratha community is not included among backward classes. Karnataka CM B.S. Yediyurappa on 29 July 2020 laid the foundation stone for the Rs 5,000 crore Bengaluru Life Sciences Park, coming up on 52 acres at Electronic City. It is expected to be completed by December 2022. Former Taiwanese President Lee Teng-hui, considered the father of Taiwan's democracy, passed away in July 2020. Ivory Coast Defense Minister Hamed Bakayoko has been named the PM after acting as interim PM since the sudden death of Amadou Gon Coulibaly. Bijapur district in Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February-June 2020 period. The polycarbonate facility of SABIC in Spain is all set to become the world's first large-scale chemical production plant to run entirely 100% on renewable energy. Environment ministers of the 5 BRICS countries Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa participated in the 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting on 30 July 2020 through a video conference. Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari on 31 July 2020 inaugurated the upstream carriageway of Mahatma Gandhi Bridge over River Ganga in Bihar through video conference. Over 5.5 kilometers long, the 4-lane bridge lays on National Highway 19 between Patna and Hajipur. On July 31, 2020, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Biswas Bhushan Harichandan, gave his assent to the Andhra Pradesh Decentralization and Inclusive Development of All Regions and Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority Re-Appeal Bill 2020. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has received Scotch Gold Award for its empowerment of tribals through IT-enabled scholarship schemes, project of Scholarship Division of the Ministry. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified.